which is very entertaining. In the position she's in right now is very normal for her. Introducing her, she rolls in the mud, she eats everybody's food, and she does all sorts of crazy stuff. And don't know what to say, but my dog Dory is sweet too. She begged, she risked her life for me, and she would do anything to make me happy.
Picture of Dory when she was a puppy.
I love that.
Video?
And that's her when she was a puppy. I don't know who that is next to her, but that's her when she was a puppy. He's so cute. But now she's a big dog. Very different from the picture I just showed you. And this will be very entertaining. The next video will be Dory rolling in the snow. Okay, see you later. Make sure to like and subscribe.